Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to find WooCommerce payment gateway ID. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Scroll down. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings. So click on it. Then you see payment tab. So again click on it. Now payment tab open and scroll down. You see payment method. Then you see direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery, Stripe, PayPal. Now you see button. So click on manage. Now PayPal setting open and now on URL you see section equal to PPCP. So this is payment gateway ID for PayPal PPCP. Now back. Now scroll up. You see Stripe. So click on it. Now Stripe open. On URL you see section equal to Stripe. So this is payment gateway ID. Now again go to back. Now you see cash on delivery. So again click on it. So cash on delivery open. Now on URL you see section equal to COD. So COD is payment ID. So in this way you can find WooCommerce payment gateway ID. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.